Hey boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and it is another day of math. Very exciting, very exciting. So, yeah, just so you know, I have the same sweater on, but I'm doing these videos in the same day, whereas you're seeing them day by day, so just so you know. All right, so let's get going. Where is our number? Here it is. It's already in word form. It says 1,043,646. All right, I'm going to write that number, and you're going to tell me what's wrong with it. Are you ready? 1,043,646. There's something wrong with my number, because if you forget about the commas, it really says 143,646, not 1,043,000. So what am I missing, and where should it go? Very good. There should be a zero here because there are no 100,000s, right? It doesn't say 1,243,000. It just says 1,043,000. But if we don't put the zero there as a placeholder, then we get the wrong number. Okay? It's a common mistake. So, as usual, you want to do your expanded form over here where my head just was. Let's say, instead of 100 more, let's do 10,000 more today. Okay, 10,000. So where's your 10,000th place? Okay, so write that down. And as always, we're going to do this one last. So what is the value of the digit in the ones place? All right, easy peasy. Here's the ones place. That would be 6. What is the value of the digit in the hundreds place? Okay, there's a 6. If it's 600s, that would be 600. So the question is, how many times greater is the digit in the hundreds place than the ones place? Well, you can see that it is 100 times larger, right? 6 times 100 would give me 600. Because if I have 6 hundreds, I have 600, right? That makes sense. If I were to have 6 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I have 600, okay? So the answer would be it is 100 times larger, okay? All right, so finish this up. I think all you have really left is expanded form. And let's do some rounding. So today, boys and girls, we are going all the way up to 10,000, rounding to the nearest multiple of 10,000. So if we skip count by 10,000, let's do this together. We got 10,000. What's next? 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. What's next? 100,000. Okay, so let's get our number line labeled. As always, we put a 0 at the beginning. Okay, and we skip over the little one and we go to the bigger one. So this would be 100,000. And then we have, 10,000, not 100,000. 10,000. Silly Mr. McAndrew, making mistakes. So then we have 20,000. We have 30,000. We have 40,000. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video, okay? 50,000. 60,000. 70,000. All right, so we made it all the way to 70,000. So down here would be 80,000. Okay, so this is going to be 80,000. All right, so finish writing that all the way down, and I'll see you back here in a minuto. All right, so does yours look like mine? You have 80,000, 90,000, 100,000, and then the next multiple of 10,000, you would add 10 more thousand. So it's 110,000, okay? 120,000, 130,000, 140,000, And at the end, it says 150,000. Okay, so pause the video if you need to make any changes here, and come back when you're ready. So welcome back if you were just missing. And our first number is 23,000. All right, so on your number line, put, like we've been doing all week, mark where you think 23,000 should go on the number line. All right, so here's what I would do. I know it's somewhere after the 20,000. So what's the midway point? What's halfway between 20,000 and 30,000? Well, let's think. What's between 0 and 10 is 5. 0 and 100 is 50. 0 and 1,000 is 500. You seeing the pattern here? Between 0 and 10,000, half of 10,000 would be 5,000. So this is 5,000, and this would be 25,000 right here. So if this is 25,000, then 23,000 should go before it, right? Maybe like right there. You put 23,000 right about there. Okay? So as we've been doing, which multiples of 10,000 is 23,000 between? Well, it's clearly between 20,000 and 30,000. So I'm going to write down 20,000 and 30,000. Okay? Now, which one is it closest to? So because there's a 3 in the thousands place, it didn't get to 25,000 or higher. So you can see it's closer to 20,000. It's only 3,000 away from 23,000, from 20,000, and it's 7,000 away from 30,000. So it's closer to 20,000. Okay? All right, let's do the third one, 45,000. Put where you think that should go on the number line. Do that right now, please. All right, so I see 40,000 here. 45,000 should go right in between, right? We're just talking about that. Okay, so 45,000 should be right there. And we know by now, boys and girls, if it's right in between two round numbers, like 40,000 and 50,000, we go up, okay? So, or that way, right? So we're going to put down, it's between 40,000 and 50,000, and it's closest to 50,000. Okay? All right. Let's do this one, a big one. Let's do 142,000. Whew, I'm tired just saying it. 649. So where would that number go? Look on your number line and put it where you think it should go. Okay? Do that now, please. So I see 140,000 here. If this is 145,000, then I'm thinking 142 is maybe like before it, right? So probably like here, like 142,000. What's the rest of it? 649. Something that goes right about there. Okay, so it's between which two multiples of 10,000? It's between 140,000 and 150,000. So which one is it closest to? Now if I look here and I say, oh, there's a 9. That means that we must round up, right? And there's a 6. Yeah, we must round up. Oh, but there's a 4. Maybe we should round down. But none of that really matters, does it? Because look, you can look at it and it's closest to 140,000. Because why? What digit or what place value helps you to see that? Well, I noticed I used the 2 in the thousands place because that told me it was less than 145,000. It was only 142,000. So that tells me that it's closest to 140,000. Okay, so you have some more here to finish up. All right, have fun. Do a good job. All right, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, great job, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.